Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Today's topic is very special. Where do you see yourself this year? This lesson is all about motivation and confidence in English.
I already feel excited. Motivation plus English? That sounds like a perfect combination.
Exactly, Alex. And listeners, don't worry. This is not a serious exam. This is a friendly conversation. You can relax, smile, and learn with us.
Yes, imagine you're sitting with two friends, drinking tea and talking about life in English.
Alex, let me ask you something simple but powerful. When you hear the question, where do you see yourself this year? How do you feel?
Honestly, I feel a little nervous at first.
Nervous? That's interesting. Why nervous?
Because the question makes me think about goals, plans, and dreams, and sometimes I worry, am I doing enough?
That's very honest. And listeners, if you feel the same way, it's okay. Feeling nervous means you care.
Exactly. But after the nervous feeling, I feel motivated. I think, okay, I still have time. I can grow.
Beautiful mindset. Now let's help our listeners learn useful English sentences. Listeners, repeat in your mind. I see myself improving.
Good one. Another simple sentence, I want to become more confident this year.
Confidence is key, especially in speaking English.
Lily, can I share something funny?
Of course, we love funny stories.
Last year, I said, this year I will speak English perfectly. But guess what? I still make mistakes.
Oh no, call the English police.
Exactly. But then I realized making mistakes means I'm learning.
That's a very important lesson. Listeners, listen carefully. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are progress.
Yes, if you never make mistakes, you're probably not trying.
Now let's practice a useful question in English. Listeners, imagine you're talking to a friend. You can ask, where do you see yourself this year?
And the answer doesn't need to be long. For example, I see myself learning English every day.
Or, I see myself becoming more confident at work.
Or even, I see myself happier and calmer.
Alex, I like that one. Not everything has to be about money or success.
True, sometimes peace of mind is the biggest success.
Listeners, here's another useful phrase. I'm working on myself.
That sentence is powerful and simple.
Let's add emotion to it. I'm working on myself step by step.
Step by step, just like learning English.
Exactly. English is not a race, it's a journey.
And every journey needs patience and maybe some coffee.
Coffee definitely helps. Now, listeners, let's practice a short motivational dialogue.
Okay, I'll start. Sometimes I feel slow.
And that's okay. Slow progress is still progress.
Sometimes I forget words.
And that's okay. You can learn them again.
Sometimes I feel shy speaking English.
And that's okay. Confidence grows with practice.
Wow, Lily, this feels like therapy, but in English.
English therapy, new business idea.
Listeners, remember this sentence. I'm proud of myself for trying.
Yes, say it again in your heart. I'm proud of myself for trying.
Lily, if you had to give one message about this year, what would it be?
My message would be, this year, choose progress over perfection.
That's powerful and very realistic.
Listeners, you don't need to become perfect English speakers this year. You just need to become better than yesterday.
And that is already a big win.
All right, everyone, we're going to pause here. In the next part, we'll talk more deeply about goals, habits, and daily English practice with more fun and real-life examples.
Stay relaxed, stay motivated, and keep listening. Next.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our lesson, Where Do You See Yourself This Year? Now we're going to talk about habits because dreams need action.
Yes, dreams without action are just nice thoughts, like saying, I will go to the gym while eating pizza.
Hey, don't attack me like that. But Alex is right. Small daily habits change your future.
Lily, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Do you think people fail because their goals are too big?
Sometimes, yes. Big goals can feel scary. That's why small steps are better.
Listeners, here's a useful sentence. My goal this year is to improve my English.
Now let's make it smaller. My habit is to practice English for 10 minutes a day.
10 minutes sounds easy until your phone says, let's watch one more video.
Phones are very persuasive.
But listeners, remember this phrase. I choose my future over my comfort.
Wow, Alex, that sentence deserves a pause.
Thank you. And it's simple English, but strong meaning.
Now let's practice common English phrases about habits. Listeners, repeat silently. I practice every day.
Another one. I'm building a good habit.
And this one is very natural English. I'm trying my best.
Lily, what if someone misses a day? No practice, no English?
Great question. Missing one day is not failure. Giving up completely is failure.
Exactly. Listeners, say this sentence. I can start again.
Yes, starting again is powerful.
Let me share a short story. One listener once said, Alex, I stopped learning English for 3 months. Is it too late?
And what did you say?
I said, no, English didn't go anywhere. It's still waiting for you.
That's such a comforting thought.
English is patient, unlike deadlines.
Very true. Listeners, here's another helpful sentence. I'm learning at my own pace.
Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday.
Alex, let's do a quick role play.
Okay.
I'll be the worried learner. I'm not good at English.
And I'll reply, you're not good yet, but you're improving.
See the difference, listeners? Adding yet changes everything.
Yet is a small word with big hope.
Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence doesn't mean speaking fast. It means speaking without fear.
Yes, slow English is clear English.
Listeners, try this sentence. I speak slowly, and that's okay.
And another one, I'm not afraid of mistakes.
Alex, do you remember your first time speaking English?
Oh yes, I was nervous, my voice was shaking, and my grammar was dancing everywhere.
Grammar was dancing?
Yes, but people still understood me and not gave me confidence.
That's an important lesson. Communication is more important than perfection.
Listeners, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be understandable.
Beautifully said. Now think about this year again. Where do you see yourself emotionally?
Calmer, stronger, more confident.
And in English?
Speaking more, thinking less, enjoying the process.
Listeners, if you remember only one thing from part 2, remember this. Small habits create big change.
And consistency is more important than motivation.
All right, everyone. In the next part, we'll talk about mindset, self-talk, and motivation, and how your words shape your future, in English and in life.
Don't go anywhere. The best part is coming.
Welcome back again. This is part 3 of our lesson, Where do you see yourself this year? Now we're going to talk about mindset, the voice inside your head.
Ah, yes, the inner voice. Sometimes it's supportive, and sometimes it's very rude.
Very rude. Listeners, that voice speaks in words, and those words matter.
Exactly. If you say, I'm bad at English, your brain believes it.
So let's change the language. Instead of saying, I'm bad at English, say, I'm learning English.
Simple change, big impact.
Listeners, repeat this idea in your heart. How I talk to myself changes how I feel.
Lily, can negative self-talk really stop progress?
Yes, because if you don't believe in yourself, you stop trying.
That's true. Motivation starts inside.
Let's practice positive self-talk in English. Listeners, here's a good sentence. I'm improving every day.
Another one, I'm proud of my effort.
And this one is very powerful. I can do this.
Short sentence, strong confidence.
Alex, be honest. Do you ever feel unmotivated?
Of course, sometimes I feel tired, bored, or distracted.
So what do you do?
I remind myself why I started, and I do something small.
That's a great strategy. Motivation doesn't come first. Action comes first.
Exactly. Action creates motivation.
Listeners, here's a useful sentence. I don't feel motivated, but I'll try anyway.
That sentence alone can change your year.
Now let's talk about fear. Many learners fear speaking English.
Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of sounding funny.
Alex, do people really judge that much?
Honestly, most people are too busy thinking about themselves.
Very true. Listeners, try this sentence. People are not judging me as much as I think.
And even if they do, learning is more important than opinions.
Exactly. Confidence grows when fear shrinks.
Lily, can we do a short mindset role play?
Great idea.
I'll be the negative voice. You'll never speak English well.
And I'll answer, that's not true. I'm improving step by step.
You're too old to learn.
I'm never too old to grow.
You make too many mistakes.
Mistakes mean I'm learning.
Wow, that negative voice just lost the argument.
Yes, and listeners, you can do the same in your mind.
Your words shape your mindset. Your mindset shapes your future.
Let's connect this to the year again. Where do you see yourself by the end of this year?
Not perfect, but confident. Not fluent, but comfortable.
I love that. Comfortable English is realistic English.
Listeners, remember this phrase. Comfort comes with practice.
And kindness to yourself.
Yes, be your own friend, not your enemy.
Alex, what's one motivational message you'd give our listeners?
Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, start small, and keep going.
Beautiful message. Listeners, your future English starts with today's effort.
And you're already doing great by listening right now.
All right, everyone. In the final part, we'll slow down, reflect, and end with a calm, meaningful message, something to take with you into your day.
Stay with us. The ending is special.
Next, welcome to the final part of today's lesson. This is part 4 of Where Do You See Yourself This Year? Now let's slow down, breathe, and reflect.
Yes, listeners, you don't need to rush. Just listen calmly and enjoy this moment.
We've talked about goals, habits, mindset, and motivation. Now let's talk about something very important, how you feel inside.
Because learning English is not just about words, it's about emotions too.
Exactly. When you learn with a calm and positive mind, progress becomes easier.
Lily, can I ask you a deep question?
I'm ready.
When someone is quiet and honest with themselves, what should they listen to?
They should listen to their inner feelings, not fear, not pressure, but truth.
That reminds me of something meaningful.
Go ahead.
Alex, when you think quietly, what good news do you feel inside?
I feel thankful, I feel hopeful, and I feel happy that we are learning English together.
That's beautiful. Sometimes the best good news is peace of mind.
Exactly. And listeners, peace of mind helps learning grow naturally.
And listeners, remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Progress is good news. Every word you learn is good news.
Let's pause for a moment. Listeners, think about this year again, not with pressure, but with kindness.
Where do you see yourself emotionally?
Where do you see yourself mentally?
And where do you see yourself in English?
Even if your answer is simple, it's enough.
Calmer, more confident, still learning.
All of these are beautiful answers.
Learning English is a journey, not a deadline.
And you are already on the right path.
Now, before we finish, we want to share a final message with you.
Final message to listeners. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us, and we'd love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and truly appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.